Find the area of the shaded region in the above figure. This is a right angle triangle. We have to find the area of this square. From here to here is 20 meters. From here to here is 15 meters. For us to answer this question, we are going to proceed as follows. We are going to assume that one of the sides of the square is of length E. This is E. This is also E. This angle, we are going to take it to be theta. Then this angle will also be theta. They are corresponding angles. This is theta. We are going to make good use of the following trigonometric identity. We know that for any angle theta, sine squared theta plus cos squared theta is equal to 1. We call this equation 1. We are going to make good use of this identity. We need the sine of the angle theta. Remember, this is a right angle triangle with a hypotenuse 15 meters. The opposite of the angle theta is A. We know sine is given by, if we make use of SOHCAHTOA, sine is given by opposite over hypotenuse. Opposite, which is A, over the hypotenuse, which is 15 meters. Then sine squared theta will be equal to A over 15 meters, all this squared. And this will give us sine squared theta to be equal to A squared all over 225 meters squared. We call this one equation 2. Next, we have to find cos theta. For us to find cos theta, we are going to make use of this triangle. The main reason why we are making use of this triangle is simply because in this second triangle, this second right angle triangle, this side A is adjacent to the angle theta, and this is the hypotenuse, and the cos of an angle is given by the adjacent all over the hypotenuse. If we are to make use of the first triangle, you will see that the adjacent side is not given. We don't know the adjacent side. That's the reason why we are making use of the second triangle. This will give us cos theta to be equal to the adjacent, which is A, all over the opposite, the adjacent A all over the hypotenuse, which is 20 meters. Then cos squared theta will be equal to A all over 20 meters, all this squared. Then cos squared theta will be equal to A squared all over 20 meters squared gives us 400 meters squared. We call this one equation 3. We are to look for A. We are going to put equation 2 and equation 3 inside equation 1 so that we can find A. Sine squared theta plus cos squared theta is equal to 1. This will imply that sine squared theta is equal to A squared all over 225 meters squared plus cos squared theta, which is A squared all over 400 meters squared, is equal to 1. This will imply that we need the LCM of 225 meters squared and 400 meters squared. The LCM of 225 and 400 is 3,600. Bring down the meters squared. 3,600 meters squared divided by 225 meters squared gives us 16 times a squared gives us 16a squared plus 3,600 meters squared divided by 400 meters squared. This will give us 9 times a squared, 9a squared, and this is equal to 1, which can be expressed as 1 over 1. Then 16a squared plus 9a squared gives us 25a squared all over 3,600 meters squared is equal to 1 over 1. Then we can simplify this. 25 will go into 25 a squared. We'll be left with a squared. 25 will go into 3,600 144 times. Next, if we cross multiply, a squared times 1 remains a squared is equal to 144 times 1, which is 144. This will imply that if we take square root on both sides, the square root of a squared will be equal to the square root of 144. This will imply that a will be equal to 12. It simply means this square is of side 12. A is equal to 12. Area of the shaded region is equal to area of square, and the area of a square is given by side times side. The square is of side 12 meters. We take 12 meters times 12 meters, and this will be equal to 144 meters squared. This is the area of the square, which is the shaded region. We are done with the solution. If in case you have any questions, feel free to drop your questions at the comment section. Please, if you like the video, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much for watching.